Step 6, Edward again. Sunrise means one thing, coffee time. Let's try this human magic drink. Step 1, water on the fire. Already feels like I'm halfway to civilization. Smells like burned pine needles, but fancier.
Bear barista. Simple recipe: water, beans, stick. No espresso machine required.
Here goes nothing. First coffee, Bear edition.
Whoa! That's bitter lightning in a cup.
Okay, now I see why humans drink this. It scares you awake.
That's step 6, coffee complete. Not bad, but next time, maybe honey tea instead.